Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Abi Chemistry tutorial. It's me Abisha of Abi Chemistry tutorial. Before starting today's lecture, please take a second to subscribe to our channel Abi Chemistry tutorial and also tap the bell button and click all so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Many people are watching without subscribing, so in every video I am saying continuously, many people are watching my videos but not subscribing. So please take a second to subscribe to our channel Abi Chemistry tutorial so that it will be helpful for me to motivate myself to do more and more videos and work more on the topics. And now let's get started. In this video, we are going to learn the biosynthesis of tyrosine. So what is a biosynthesis? It means the synthesis of any chemical compound by biological reactions taking place inside the body of any organisms, any living organisms is said to be biosynthesis. So here we are going to learn biosynthesis of tyrosine and tryptophan in this video. So there are two methods of preparing tyrosine. So both involve the prefenate enzyme, but only the starting material differs, but otherwise the reaction is same as you can see in the video. So the first method is prefenate enzyme. So since an enzyme is a biological compound present inside the body of the living organisms, we say this as a biosynthesis. So prefenate enzyme on dehydrogenation by the action of NAD plus one hydrogen is removed. That is, here you can see one hydrogen. So this hydrogen is removed. So here we get a resonance structure or a resonance double bond inside this benzene ring, and we get a new compound and the name is 4-hydroxyphenyl pyruvate. And this 4-hydroxyphenyl pyruvate on treatment with transaminase, it is also an enzyme. This transaminase adds nitrogen to this compound and we will get the tyrosine compound. So this is the method 1. So next we will move on to the next method, that is method 2. So only the starting material is different. So this is also a biological compound and this compound is converted to prefenate enzyme once again, and the same reactions which occurred in the previous method is followed. So the dehydrogenation by NAD plus occurs. So taking this hydrogen out and we will get a resonating structure here, and the COO bond is removed and we get 4-hydroxyphenyl pyruvate, and this on treatment with transaminase we get tyrosine. So these are the biosynthesis methods of tyrosine. So the next one is the biosynthesis of tryptophan. Both this tryptophan and tyrosine are amino acids, and this tryptophan is an alpha amino acid. So this also involves two methods, and both these methods use the starting materials which are present inside the body of the living organisms, and that's the reason we say it is biosynthesis of tryptophan. So the first method, as you can see, is the reactants are chorismate and anthranilate. So chorismate is an enzyme, and when chorismate reacts with anthranilate in the presence of phosphoribosyl pyrophosphate. So I will show you the structure of phosphoribosyl pyrophosphate later, but this is the reactants involved in this method. So chorismate and anthranilate in the presence of this phosphoribosyl pyrophosphate. So this also reacts along with these compounds so that we will get this phosphate group added to this compounds together. So as you can see, we get a complex compound here, and from this compound again we get compounds, and finally we get tryptophan. So this is the biosynthesis of tryptophan, and as I said, phosphoribosyl pyrophosphate. So you can see the phosphoribosyl pyrophosphate structure here. So from this phosphoribosyl pyrophosphate, from this this portion is attached, only this O is removed and we have a double bond instead of this here. So here to this NH is attached, then we have 2 OH. Instead of this bond, here also we get 1 OH. Then you can see 1 oxygen, phosphorus, then 3 oxygens attached to this phosphorus. So here you can see phosphoribosyl pyrophosphate plays a major role in the formation of tryptophan. So this is the first method of the biosynthesis of tryptophan. So this is the method 2. So in this method 2, here you can say it involves 2 steps. So the first step involves chorismic acid, and the same chorismic acid is used in the method 1 also, but it is chorismate. The only difference is that we had COO minus in the method 1, that is called chorismate, and here it is chorismic acid. So when chorismic acid is treated with glutamine, we get anthranylic acid and pyruvic acid. All these are organic substances, and this anthranylic acid is further involved in this biosynthesis of tryptophan. So anthranylic acid again reacts with this phosphoribosyl pyrophosphate. So I showed you the structure in the method 1, and that has a simple structure like this. So this is the simple structure of this phosphoribosyl pyrophosphate, and when the anthranylic acid formed by the decomposition of chorismic acid reacts, we get N5-phosphoribosyl anthranylate. That is, along with this anthranylic acid, as you can see here, one hydrogen is removed, and this much portion is also removed, and the others are attached to this nitrogen. So we get N5-phosphoribosyl anthranylate, and from this we get 1,O-carboxy-phenylamino 1-dihydroxyribulose. So from this we get this compound, and from this again we get this compound, and finally we get L-tryptophan. So this is the method 2, that is the biosynthesis of tryptophan from chorismic acid. So in simple terms, the biosynthesis of tyrosine involved the prephenate enzyme, and the biosynthesis of tryptophan involved chorismate or chorismic acid. Both of them are biological compounds, and from these the tryptophan is obtained, and that's why we say it as biosynthesis of tyrosine and tryptophan. So I hope you all watched the video till end. So thank you so much for watching the video till now. So please don't forget to give a like, and also share to your friends, and recommend our channel to all your friends and known people. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel Abi Chemistry Tutorial. So see you all in the next video. Until then, bye. Thank you.